looking down like this. Wait a minute, let me take a drink. What? Hi again, folks. Today we're going to do a little something different. Still low carbs. We're going to make pizza bites. And it's going to be made with cauliflower rice as the crust. As the base, we're going to need, for the crust, we're going to use Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, 2 cups of grated cauliflower. Alright, first we're going to grate some cauliflower to make the rice. Some people use hand graters. I find it faster with this I don't know what it's called, electric grater or food processor. There we go. Alright, so let's do a little. Turn it on. I'm going to check that. We only need 2 cups. Once I get enough, I'll take these the rest of these florets and put them in my pressure cooker. In 2 minutes I can steam them and have them as a side dish like I showed you in the other video. By the way, this shirt, when we were filming American Digger in St. Augustine, Florida, Rick Savage's wife, Rita, surprised me with this, and one of the reasons she did, or the wording is one of my favorite sayings, so I wear it in pride. Now, we need to see if we have 2 cups yet. Oh, by the way, my granddaughter is filming this. Hopefully she'll be a movie producer someday. Anyway, she's getting ready to go to college. So one thing you'll notice when this does go live, as you're watching it, the editing's going to be 10 times better than when I do it. Alright, cauliflower, when it comes out of grating, it's wet. You can see it's very moist. So what we're going to do is put it in a pan and dry it out. Somewhat, it doesn't have to be totally dry. Don't want it to get brown, just want to dry it. You can see how wet it is. It's like a paste. You can hear it sizzling. That's the water evaporating out of it, cooking out of it. Like I said, it doesn't have to be completely dry, just somewhat dry. Alright, that's about as dry as we're going to get it without browning it, and we don't want to do that. So now the thing is just let her sit for a while and cool off. Alright, I'm going to beat 1 egg. Okay. A couple of Parmesan. And add your 2 cups of the semi-dried cauliflower. We're going to mix that up. Okay, normally when I make the pizza I use this pan, put parchment paper on it, take this, flatten it out, put it on the pan, about 1/4 inch high, make it round, bring the edges up, put it in the oven for 20 minutes, take it out, all your toppings on it, your mozzarella, whatever you want on it, and then put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. But we're making pizza bites, so we're going to do it a little different. We're going to take it and make it here instead of here, and cut out the pizza bites, then put it on there, and then in the oven, take it out, put the toppings on it, and cook it again for 10 minutes. Alright, we take the dough, mix it up pretty good, put it on parchment paper. Okay. Flatten it out. I'm not concerned about making it round, I just want to get it flattened out enough so we can make some pizza bites. We're gonna get that out of the way. See what we can make out of this. Let's try. We can do a spatula. Let's get that under there.
Look how beautiful they are now.
Very good. Alright, now we're going to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated, 400 degrees. Throw it in 15-20 minutes until we get the crust firmed up, a little brown. Set the timer to 20 minutes. It can take 20 minutes, 15 minutes. Alright, these are fresh out of the oven. Nice and stiff. These are toppings. We're going to do marinara sauce or spaghetti sauce first, and then the toppings, and then we'll put some mozzarella cheese on. Okay, the boss wants 2, so we'll do regular sauce for her. Little ham. Pineapple, mushrooms. Like anything else, it takes longer to fix than to eat. In about 2 seconds. Like I told you before, you can make the whole pizza like we normally do. This is different. We're trying something new. And you get a lot more, obviously. Hot Italian sausage. Who would thunk? Make a lot more, you double up on the crust or triple up, whatever. Okay, wash my hands. Back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Okay, we're done. Let's see what they look like. Alright, great. Alright, I can tell mine are ready. Green jalapenos on them. Little red pepper. Little Parmesan cheese. Little hot sauce. Okay, and there you go, Bob's famous pizza bites. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. I think the next video I'm going to use more of the rice, cauliflower rice, and I'm going to make calzones. And they're pretty cool. You can stuff them with cheese, sausage, whatever you want. Okay, till next time, thanks for watching.